Most smart home devices are made for comfort, lights, speakers, automations. But this could actually save your house and even your life. When I first started building my smart home, one of the things I focused on very early was security and safety devices. And smoke alarms are definitely one of them. Now, I know this is not the coolest smart home gadget. It doesn't have RGB lights, it doesn't move around the house, and sometimes you even forget it exists. But when there's actually a fire in your home, this small device could literally save your life and help protect your house. So today we're taking a look at the Meross Smart Smoke Alarm MA151. Meross sent me this device for testing, so thank you to Meross for sending it. And if you think this device fits your setup or your needs, I'll leave an affiliate link together with a 10% discount code in the description. Before we start, I actually already have several Meross smoke alarms installed around my house, the Zigbee versions, and they've been working great. And funny enough, one of them actually triggered last week in the kitchen, because I forgot an oil pan on the stove and the smoke triggered the alarm. So that was definitely a good reminder of why these devices matter, and what's really cool is that once one alarm detected smoke, all the other alarms inside the house started sounding as well. That's actually a very useful feature, because if a fire starts in another room, you still hear the alerts everywhere in the house. Now, for this model, the Meross MA151, I'm planning to install it inside my inverter room, and that's one of the places where you definitely want smoke detection. You have inverters, batteries, charging systems, high current cables, breakers, and electronics running 24/7. So if you have a solar setup, server room, workshop, or any room with a lot of electrical equipment, I really think a smoke alarm is a must-have. But before installing it, I wanted to test it, see how it works, and go through all the features, so that's what we're going to do in this video. We'll start with a quick unboxing to see what you get inside the box. Inside the package you get the smoke alarm itself, 2 double-sided adhesive pads, which is actually really nice if you don't want to drill holes, because you can mount the smoke alarm directly using the double tape. And you have the mounting screws and the wall plugs, the documentations, and of course the Meross hub. Because the alarm speaks matter, you are not limited to just one native app. So if you want, you can use it in platforms like Home Assistant, Apple Home, Google Home, it works with Alexa or SmartThings. You can still use the device directly inside the Meross app through the included hub. And from there, you can monitor the alarm state, test the alarm, receive notifications, and manage the device remotely. But in my case, I'm planning to integrate everything directly into Home Assistant, and I'll show you how I did that a little bit later in the video. Now, let's talk about the specifications, because this is actually much more advanced than a basic cheap smoke detector. This alarm uses dual photoelectric smoke sensors together with an advanced chipset designed to better distinguish real smoke from things like steam or cooking vapors. And that's important, because one of the biggest problems with cheap smoke detectors is false alarms. According to Meross, this model is also designed for ultra-fast detection, while still reducing unwanted triggers. It even includes a small insect-proof mesh to help prevent interference inside the sensor. And another really interesting feature is that it's basically a 3-in-1 alarm system. So besides the smoke detection, it also includes tamper detection, intrusion alarm functionality, and smart hub integration. The smoke alarm itself has 85 decibels siren, while the included hub can trigger an even louder 110 decibel alarm and activate all linked alarms inside the house. And what's actually really cool is that the hub also works as a siren for security automations. So if you're using platforms like Home Assistant, Apple Home or Homey, and you have a door and window sensor installed, you can also use the hub to trigger an alarm if somebody forces the door or the window. So besides smoke protection, this can also become part of your home security system. So if smoke is detected in one room, every connected alarm can start sounding together. And honestly, that's a huge advantage, because if a fire starts in another part of your house, you still hear the alarm everywhere. The system can also send low battery alerts, tamper notifications, smoke alerts, and store up to 10 years of event history inside the app. And because this supports Matter and smart home integrations, you can also build automations, for example, turning lights red, triggering extra sirens, sending critical notifications, or even shutting down high-power devices automatically. And in my case, that's exactly what I want together with Home Assistant. The alarm itself uses replaceable AA batteries with an estimated battery life of around 3 years, while the unit itself is rated up to 10 years. So now that we've gone through the specifications and smart features, let's actually install it. And proper placement is extremely important when it comes to smoke alarms. Inside the instruction manual, Meross actually includes recommendations for ceiling walls, corners, ventilation areas, kitchens, bathrooms, and even tilted ceilings. So before installing it, definitely take a look at the manual, because placement can affect how well the smoke alarm detects smoke. In my case, I'm installing this one inside the inverter room. And the installation process itself, it's actually very simple. First, you position the mounting bracket where you want the alarm to be installed. Then you drill 2 holes, insert the wall plugs if needed, and screw the bracket into place. What I like is that the mounting bracket comes included directly in the alarm, so you already have everything needed for installation. After that, you simply align the smoke alarm with the bracket and twist it into position until it locks securely. And that's basically it. The whole installation process only takes a couple of minutes. Now, if you don't want to drill holes in the wall or ceiling, there's also another option. Meross also includes double-sided adhesive pads, so you can simply stick the mounted bracket directly onto the surface and then attach the smoke alarm. And I actually like this option because I'm not a huge fan of drilling unnecessary holes everywhere in the house. Now that the smoke alarm is physically installed, let's move over to the app setup. In my case, I'll first add the device inside the Meross app using the included hub. So first, plug in the Meross hub and open the Meross app on your phone. In case you don't have an account yet, you have to create one. And after plugging in the hub, the LED should start blinking. From there, we simply add a new device and follow the pairing process. The app guides you step by step, so the setup is pretty straightforward. Once the hub is detected, we can add the smoke alarm itself. If the hub by any chance is not detected automatically, add it manually, find the hub in the list, and follow the steps. To pair the alarm, press the pairing button, that's the top of the smoke alarm, 3 times, until the LED starts blinking. After a few moments, the device appears inside the app, and we can already see the alarm status, battery information, and device settings. And from here, you can also test the siren, receive phone notifications, and check the alarm history. And even if you don't use Home Assistant or other platforms, the Meross app alone already gives you a pretty good smart smoke alarm experience. Now in Home Assistant, put the hub in pairing mode, go to Settings, Devices and Services, find your Matter integration, click Add Device, select It's New, tap the camera button and scan the QR code on the hub. After it's installed in Home Assistant, you will need to pair the smoke alarm. Put that in pairing mode and it will automatically see it in Home Assistant. Now that the smoke alarm is integrated into Home Assistant, we can start building automations around it. For example, sending critical phone notifications, turning on all lights during an alarm, triggering additional sirens, shutting down equipment, or creating emergency automations. And this is one of the biggest advantages of Home Assistant, inter-brand flexibility, because now the smoke alarm can work together with devices from completely different brands. So in my case, if smoke is detected inside the inverter room, I can automatically trigger another siren somewhere else inside the house to make sure the alert is heard everywhere. And during the emergency, that can make a huge difference. And just to give you a quick example, let me show you the automation. Here inside Home Assistant, I created simple automation where if the smoke alarm changes to detected, another siren immediately starts inside the house. And of course, you can expand this much further with phone alerts, flashing lights, shutting down power, or even emergency shutdown automations. And this is exactly why I love smart home integrations, because devices stop being isolated products and instead start working together as one complete smart home ecosystem. So now let's actually test it. At the same time, inside Home Assistant, the smoke alarm entity changes state to detected, which then triggers the automation. So now the additional siren inside the house activates as well. And this is the exactly kind of setup I personally like for important safety devices. Because for some things like a smoke alarm, the most important thing is not fancy RGB effects or complicated features. It's reliability. You want it to stay connected, react quickly, send alerts reliably, and always be ready if something actually happens. And the best part about this has the built-in hub, which actually has a built-in siren as well, so it can be heard from the other part of the house. And this is one of those devices that you hopefully never really need. But if a fire does happen, you want it to work properly every single time. And so far, based on my experience with the Meross smoke alarms I already use around the house, reliability has actually been very good. I also really like the Matter support because it gives a lot more flexibility long term. You're not locked into one single ecosystem. So whether you're using Home Assistant, Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, or a mix of everything, you can still integrate the device into your smart home setup. A big plus is the hub that can be used as a security siren for other security automations. And I think this is actually where smart home safety devices should be heading. Reliable hardware first, with smart integrations added on top. So overall, I think this is a very solid smart smoke alarm, especially for people who already use smart home platforms and want better notifications, automations, and integration possibilities. So hopefully this video gave you a better idea of how the Meross Smart Smoke Alarm works, how to integrate it into Home Assistant, and how you can use it as part of a smarter and safer home setup. And I think safety devices are one of the most important parts of any smart home, because smart homes are not only about comfort and automations. Sometimes they can also help protect your house and your family. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment below with what smart smoke alarms or safety automations you're using in your setup. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.